Lots of blood.
So it's the best time of the year. It's a couple days before the Wisconsin deer rifle opener. Starting to get packed up, and so we're ready to go bright and early Friday morning. Get out to the land, set the blinds, just scope things out, and then get ready for that early crack of dawn on Saturday. Let's get after it.
Some rough weather. It's Thursday, 2 days before the opener. Hoping some of the snow stays on the ground. It's always easier to see the deer in the woods and track if you shot them and be able to run a bit. So we'll see what the weather brings. Just got to Odries. We're gonna set the first blind and then go over to Orville's and set the other one.
Check the cameras, change batteries,
Yep.
get everything ready for opening morning.
Yep. Yeah, there's a good sized deer track going right through here. Oh yeah. That scrape. Look at that scrape.
No,
Alright, so we just set up the first blind. I'll show you in a second. It's behind me. Pretty well hidden. Got it against a dirt mound. Bunch of grass around it. Should be a good place. Now we're replacing the batteries on this trail cam. Well, someone stole our other trail cam, which sucks. It is what it is, I guess. At this point, we'll get another one out. But still, we know this is a good spot because we saw deer, bucks, and does on there just, a week ago, before we lost signal. So, yeah, that blind, pretty wild. Here's our other blind right at the edge of the woods, and then you'll see the big field. So we got a shooting lane here, across this field, quite a ways. And obviously also up into the woods. On the other side, that's just 100 plus acres of corn. All right, we're replacing the stolen trail cam, setting up another one. Check out these deer scrapes. Yeah, that's what we're walking to see. Nice. All right, we got both the blinds set. Trail cams with batteries in it. We replaced the stolen one. The other one, somebody stole the SD card, so I don't know what's going on. But we'll pull these and put them on our own land for next year. But I think we're all set. I think we know where everybody's gonna sit tomorrow. So we'll see you bright and early. Opening morning, 2024, deer rifle. It's a little after 4:15 in the morning. Just getting packed up here. Everything ready to go. The kids are getting ready. I'm getting to tag these deer this morning. Kids are in there, so we're getting to there shortly. My brother's going to the land over in Dwaynesville. So now we just sit and wait until the shooting light and we hope we see some deer. We've seen them on the cameras, so we know they're here. And we're just hoping and praying that the good Lord allows there to be deer for us to grab. It's about 7 a.m. Just starting to get a little drizzling, like snow rain. We had a decent amount of gunshots this morning. We're just gonna continue to
Opening morning. Got a smaller buck. Lots of blood. Gotta follow the trail. Might be a bit of a pain to get this deer out of here. With all the buckthorns and the barbed wire. Lots of blood. Oh, there. There it is. Didn't go too far. Must have been a good shot. Decent. Good enough, I guess. Well, it's not tiny. It's not exactly a big buck. I'm all alone in a different spot, different section. So I'll load this guy up, move over and see if the others had any luck.
So, I took a crack at a deer running, and I swear I hit it. I can't find blood yet, but I do see some hair where it was when I shot. You can see the hair right there. I found him. He's over here. Just want to make sure he's down. There he is. Big. Meat in the freezer. Yeah. It's not a big one, but meat in the freezer. All right, Alyssa.
Gonna drag this deer. There you go. Had a girl. This is the workout. You don't need a gym.
Yeah.
You just drag deer.
If I shoot them.
Not mounting this one.
If you ever get the other one back.
What's that?
If you ever get the other one back.
Maybe someday. Look how fat he is. First deer gutted. Now we're letting him drain out. Blew up his lungs. There's blood everywhere. Let him drain and we'll go do Eric's. All right. He's just taking off the skin, the fur and the skin on the outer layer. Using the gut hook, being very careful not to pierce his stomach, because if that happens, you taint your meat and it stinks, and it's just no bueno all around. So you're gonna take an incision, move up here with the saw, just kind of get through the sternum. We'll crack his rib cage open so we can get the heart and the liver and stuff out. We'll come back down here. And then he'll pull all that out, grab the trachea, pull all the way through the poop chute. 2 small bucks. Eric got one and I got one. Hopefully we get more bucks or more does this afternoon, tomorrow, and Monday, Tuesday at the new land. Well, we're stopped at Wayne's Cafe for breakfast. It's a tradition. We've been doing that since we were 12 years old with Dad, Uncle Jim, and my brothers, and whoever else was coming with it. So we had to hit that for sure. And then right now we're actually at Menards to get another couple of chairs to sit on. So we have a little bit more comfort for the kids and for everyone, and us as well. So Eric and I. So everybody's back in position for the evening sit on opening day of the 2024 Wisconsin Deer Rifle. Again, to recap, 2 of them today were shot, and now we're hoping to get a couple more. Bucks or does, we don't care. We want to fill our freezer. You can hear that. It's Sunday morning too. Go get in the stand well before sunrise. Get settled. Hopefully get these deer. It's about 7:30 Sunday morning, day 2 of the 2024 Wisconsin rifle season. Let's see if I can fill my doe tag this morning. Hopefully the kids can get a buck or doe. And Eric and I can get does this morning. I think we're gonna stay